Hey, this is Jason. We all know that a customer is not going to buy in a fear state, but they will buy in an opportunity state. So, how can you, with the power of your words, convince them or shift their mindset from a fear state to an opportunity state? I'm going to teach you a concept from neurolinguistic programming called match, pace, lead, anchor. So, for example, let's say your customer says, it's a scary time. You would match them and you would say, it is a scary time, but it's also an interesting time. And some might even say an opportunistic time. For example, Warren Buffett says, be opportunistic when others are fearful, and fearful when others are opportunistic. So why don't we see if this is a Warren Buffett opportunity for you? So let me explain what I did. So the first step is I need to match you. So if you say it's a scary time, I need to say it is a scary time. I can't immediately say, but it's also an opportunistic time, because now I'm out of rapport with you because it's too different of a word, too different of an emotional state. So again, it's a scary time. It is a scary time, but it's also an interesting time. See, interesting is more of a neutral word, and so it takes them from scary to now interesting. And then I'm going to say, but some people would even say it's a opportunistic time. Notice how I said some people, not everyone says opportunistic time. If I would have said everyone, again, I'm out of rapport with you, because you would immediately go, well, not everyone really believes that. So some people might even say it's an opportunistic time. And then I anchor it with a guy named like Warren Buffett. For example, Warren Buffett says, be opportunistic when others are fearful, and fearful when others are opportunistic. So let's see if this is a Warren Buffett opportunity for you. See, what I've done now is I've taken the prospect from a fear state to an opportunistic state. It's almost like they came in and started the conversation with me with kind of an average mindset, a fear-based mindset. And then I gave them like a new pair of glasses, like a new prescription, a way to look at life through Buffett's lens. And that's the lens that I need them to be in to have a fruitful sales conversation. So again, use this strategy of match, pace, lead, anchor to move your customers from a fear state to an opportunistic state.